Imagine you're having a casual hangout with friends. Someone mentions a really cool new gadget they just bought. You're interested, but you don't have cash on hand. What do? That's where Zelle comes in. It's a quick and easy way to send and receive money directly from your bank account. No more waiting in line at the ATM or worrying about cash. But how does it actually work? Let's dive into the details. Step 1. Sign up for Zelle. The first step is to sign up for Zelle. This can usually be done through your bank's mobile app or website. Look for a feature called Zelle or something similar. Once you've found it, follow the prompts to create your Zelle account. You'll likely need to provide your bank account information. Step 2. Verify your account. After you've signed up, you'll need to verify your account. This is a security measure to protect your funds. The verification process can vary depending on your bank. It might involve answering a security question or providing additional personal information. Step 3. Get ready to receive money. Once your account is verified, you're ready to start receiving money. You can share your Zelle email address or mobile number with the person who wants to send you money. Step 4. Receive the money. When someone sends you money using Zelle, you'll receive a notification. Check your Zelle account or your bank's app to see the transaction. The money should be available in your bank account almost immediately. Security. Zelle is generally a secure way to send and receive money, but it's always a good idea to be cautious. Avoid sharing your Zelle information with anyone you don't know or trust. Fees. Most banks don't charge fees for using Zelle. However, it's always a good idea to check with your bank to be sure. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any problems with Zelle, contact your bank's customer service for assistance. There you have it. Receiving money using Zelle is quick, easy, and convenient. It's a great option for splitting bills, paying back loans, or just sending money to friends and family. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.